Okay, so what I have here is a shop pencil, like 3mm thick lead pencil, mechanical pencil thing for the shop. I've had this thing kicking around for a long time, and got pissed off because I forgot to order the bushings for it at the same time, so I decided I'd find a way to do it without the bushings. This just seems like the prime candidate. So this is a 5/16 OD tube for this kit. This is a 5/16 brad point bit, and I've tried this a couple of different ways, and I've come up with the best way to do this is run it in reverse, flip her over, run it in reverse again, and then run it forward. And you get a nice clean hole that just fits nice and tight. Then you take your round knife and you cut her off. One. I got a long way to go. This is 5-minute epoxy, and it's been sitting for about just over 5 minutes. Now what I don't want is these washers getting glued to the outside layer. So I've deformed the ends of these bushings a little bit, but that can be fixed. There's a little bit of wiggle room with most of these where you can sand them back a hair without making them unusable. And we're just gonna hope I didn't go too far. We'll let that cure a couple hours, and I'll come back this afternoon and start doing the nasty dust stuff. Shh. Shh, baby. You don't get to play this time, okay? It's gonna be alright. Alright, that's taking too long. I'm too impatient. Alright, got it a whole lot closer.